Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Right now, guys, let's talk on the gold market. Well, as you can see, our warnings was not in vain yesterday, and we have warned you about the possible bearish grabber that could appear here as market has come very close to the MACD predictor line, and that's really has happened. So you can see that market has formed the bearish grabber. Theoretically, this pattern suggests the taking out of these lows as the minimum target, but very often the bearish grabbers become the starting pattern, the pattern that could trigger the downward continuation. Because in fact, this level is 1190, stands below the major support area, and if market will return it back down, well, guys, it really could become just a continuation to the downside. And if this really will happen, market could return it back down to the 1130 lows in the medium-term perspective. Anyway, since this pattern significantly complicates the overall situation, and especially the bullish position that we have discussed and we have taken previously, we think that's not a bad idea to take in the profit on this long position that we have opened on this upward rally, and just watch what will happen. Theoretically, the upward action still could happen, but the risks that have appeared with this appearing of this bearish grabber overrule the potential attractiveness of the holding the long position. At least, if you still would like to take the longs, you can do this, but move your stops to the break-even and protect somehow your position. Because if we will take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart here, guys, we could get the head and shoulders pattern. And from that standpoint, theoretically, the upward action still could happen. If market, for example, will turn right back down here, reach this bottom of this potential where it stands left shoulder, it will be right shoulder, and will keep the harmony of this pattern. And if market will stop here, turn to the upside, in this case, yes, we could get the head and shoulders, we could get ABCD pattern with the possible upward action. But for that purpose, market needs to hold above this area. This is again the same 12 even area. That's why we currently can't stand on point that everything has been lost, and market right now is turning to the downside and just will tend to 1130. It's not yet. Currently, we can't make this conclusion. But again, as I said, the appearing of the grabber significantly complicates the bullish positions and position of the bulls here on the market. That's why it's just safer to take profit on this potential upward action that we have right now, or as I said, at least to move your stop to the break-even and watch what will happen. If market will hold here and will form the head and shoulders, maybe we will re-establish our long position. But chances really are significant that market just could drop even further and continue move lower. Probably it significantly will depend on the market data that we will get on the next week, particularly speaking, this non-farm payrolls for the February. That could clarify somehow this situation. Some geopolitical news that could come. But anyway, situation right now is really complex, and we need to guarantee some protection to our positions if you still decide to hold the longs, because this also could be a reasonable solution to keep longs, because the chances exist that market could form the head and shoulders. But again, just minimize risk, control your risk if you still decide in the current situation to hold the longs position. That's currently, guys, that's probably all that we could do on the gold market. And we will see if market will drop lower below the 12 even, return it back down to these lows. Well, in this case, it's very probable that market really will continue move lower on the daily time frame and could just continue move lower even on the weekly time frame chart. Another thought that I have, guys, here, it's maybe we could get double repo buy pattern. That's also is possible. So as you can see, a lot of different possibilities exist here. The appearance of the grabber here could suggest the taking out of these lows, but this could be the wash and rinse. If this will happen, we could get, for example, double repo buy. That's also possible. So since anyway, since situation suggests either returning right back down to these lows or appearing on head and shoulders, it means that probably we could get the better chance to take the long position, despite the pattern that will be formed soon. That's why I think that either to take the profit on current long position or to tight the stops is not a bad idea. So let's see what will happen, but I hope that on the current week gold will give us some clear patterns that will let us to trade, and probably this pattern should be clear.